we're finding out now, just like a date that you took out in high school, it's not as pretty as you think at. Yeah, I might as well be wrestling a grizzly bear. Here we go, and I'm going to show you pulling a head off today. We've started another Odyssey, another adventure of saving a Bristol Hercules engine for our Halifax bomber. And when we first got this engine, we thought she was going to be a good one. Been sitting in a warehouse for over 50 years, but we're finding out now, just like a date that you took out in high school, it's not as pretty as you think it is. So we've started the Odyssey. I want to show you this. I've resurrected this sign from the rebuild of engines 1, 2, and 3 of our Halifax bomber. This is number 4, and she's going to be a Bearcat. Yeah, I might as well be wrestling a grizzly bear. So I've done the reconnaissance. We've taken the cowlings off and some of the baffle plates off to get to these cylinders. And sitting 50 years, I don't know where the hell the rust came from, but there is rust in lots of these cylinders, and we're going to try and save it. But I may have called this a Bristol Beauty initially, but now I'm going to call it our Folly, because I don't know whether we can save it. But we've got some interesting things to show you about these heads. You see this head here? If you can get that head off, it comes out like this. If you can get that head off, you can save the sleeve and save the cylinder. But if you can't get these heads off because they're cemented with rust, you got a problem in River City. And so these are going to be in the coming weeks. This will be our gearhead heaven troubles. And because we did this years ago for our other engines, we're going to do it for this baby. So wish us luck. Here we go. And I'm going to show you pulling a head off today. I got this one, number 11. I've got this one ready to come off. So I'll show you that in just a minute. So here we are with number 10 head off of number 10 cylinder. And as you can see, she's looking fairly good. And have a close look there. Do you see how? Not too bad, not too bad. Coming out of the engine after 50 years. But I want to show you the ugly part. This is number 2. Out of number 2 cylinder, the head. And you can see, obviously, it's got the wrong kind of glue holding it together. You know, iron oxide, you know, rust. So anyways, we're going to wrestle with this in the coming weeks. And I'm going to take you along on this adventure. So we hope, fingers crossed, we can get the engine apart to get it running. Okay, so here's number 11 cylinder. I wrestled with this yesterday until closing time, and today you'll see it for the first time. Over 50 years sitting here, and we don't know how good it is. We don't know if we can rebuild it, but I'm going to open it up for you for the first time. So here we go. The puller has pulled it. Somehow it came loose, and I'll just pull it off now, and you and I will inspect it together. So what we've got is a halfway house. It's not really beautiful, but it's not bad either. There's some rust that can be taken off, and we will be able to maybe use this. But remember, we have probably 30 or 40 of these heads, brand new, in boxes, spare parts. So that's the beginning. Now we can start to rebuild number 11 cylinder. Guess what? We only got another 11 to go. So that's it in the trenches. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.